The organisms which make their own food are called autotrophs, and the type of nutrition done by them is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. In this video lecture, we shall look to the process of photosynthesis in detail. Okay, let's start it. Plants generally intake sunlight from the sun, and this sunlight goes to the numerous dotted structures in the leaf, and that are chloroplasts. You all know that chloroplasts contain green colored respiratory pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs this sunlight, and after that plants take CO2 from the atmosphere. And when this CO2 reaches the leaf surface, the guard cells, which are present in the upper surface, swells and make the stomata to open for intaking the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide too goes to the chloroplasts. H2O, which is present in the roots, carried to chloroplasts by xylem vasculare bundle. Those three things, carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, are reacted with each other in this thylakoid present in the chloroplasts. It is bag-like structure. This chemical reaction converts the light energy into the chemical energy, and this chemical energy is nothing but sugar or maltose. Also, water is split into hydrogen and oxygen, and the carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrates. And by this reaction, glucose, energy, and oxygen are released as byproducts. So, chemical equation of this reaction can be obtained as CO2 plus H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight produces C6H12O6 plus O2 plus energy. We can write this phenomenon of photosynthesis as first, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll, and second, conversion of sunlight energy into chemical energy, and splitting of H2O into hydrogen and oxygen, and third is conversion of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. If you carefully notice this third process of converting CO2 into carbohydrates is what we call reduction, because oxygen is removed from CO2 and hydrogen is added. The main thing is these three steps that I write here, and it is done by chemical reaction in thylakoids. So thylakoids are very important as chlorophyll. In exams, there may be a question related to the functions of guard cells. Guard cells swell when they have to open the stomata for allowing gases to enter. When the amount of gases and water is high in the cell and more water cannot be entered, then they contract. See this picture of a leaf. You can also be asked over this, so look it carefully. This part of the leaf is called veins, and that rod-like structure is called midrib, and this upper part is called lamina or leaf blade. That's all in this video. Let's remind what you have learned. The process of photosynthesis. First, absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of this light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of H2O molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. And third is conversion of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Okay, keep watching our videos. Thank you for watching. Your joy.